Hello, in this video we will be creating a pencil model in Blender. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel. So to start out, you're going to want to add a cylinder and go to the bottom and change the number of vertices to 6 and set the radius to 0.35. Don't worry if you clicked off, you can just delete the cylinder with X and create a new cylinder. Then, rotate the cylinder by 90 on the X and the Y axis. Now I already measured the average length of a medium-sized pencil in real life, and from what I have observed, the average length of a sharpened pencil is around 11 centimeters. So in Blender, scale the pencil on the Y axis by 11. Now let's create the pointed part. To do so, select one of the front faces and extrude it out by 1. Click M to merge at center. Now use the knife tool to go around and carve out the pencil graphite. Click Enter when done. Select the faces and click P to separate by selection. We also want to make the sharpened look around the pencil. So to do so, go back and forth around the pencil with the knife tool. Then, select all the wooden parts that wouldn't be painted yellow. Now that we did that, we can work on the eraser part. If you want to make an eraserless pencil, then just click on the other face and click I to inset the face. Then just separate the small face with P. This creates the illusion of pencil graphite inside of the pencil. However, we want to create an eraser. So we are going to add a cylinder with 12 vertices and with a radius of 0.4. Move it to the end of the pencil and rotate it. And we want to create another cylinder and set the vertices to 400. Rotate it by 90 on the X and move it to the end. Then scale it down a bit. Select the top face and click Ctrl B. Drag your cursor and then click. Change the width to 0.125 and set the segments to 20. Go back to the part around the eraser and go into edit mode, which the shortcut to do so is Tab. Click Ctrl R and add a loop cut going around. Change the number of cuts to 10. Using Alt and Shift, select every other ring of faces and right click. Choose Extrude Faces along normals and offset it by around -0.0075. You can also scale this part down. So that's it. Thanks for watching.